Friend, in this video, I will discuss about the Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty trading strategy. Today, we have earned a very good profit, around 9,000 per lot. With that, we have earned almost 1,97,535 on trading one lot basis in this year. Using this Excel based strategy, I am talking about this strategy where you have to enter the high and low of first 15 minute, second 15 minute and last 15-minute candle one day before to check whether there is a very good opportunity next day or not, and based on that we trade on the breakout. I will explain everything with the chart. The entire strategy I have written down in this ebook. You can download this ebook in the link in the description. Now I will quickly move to the track sheet. So since January 2nd, we have almost 53 trade. Among these 53 trade, today our entry was on 11189, stop was 1128, and we exited at 11309. I will shortly demonstrate how to find the trade based on this Excel sheet. I am talking about this Excel sheet. I will shortly discuss about this Excel sheet. I will also show you using a chart of the Nifty what was the exact trade. But before that, let's quickly review the performance this year. This year we have, as I mentioned, total 53 trade, 33 was profitable, 20 was losing, 62% was the average accuracy. Average point loss was 46, sorry, and average point gain was 107. So risk reward ratio comes 2.63. That means 1 is to 2 and more than that. Total point we have gain is 2633, that is around 1,97,535 point made in Nifty. Now I will show you exactly what to do. So you have to enter 9:15 to 9:30, 9:30 to 9:45 and 3:15 to 3:30 is 15-minute candlestick high and low. If you have to find the trade tomorrow, then you have to enter the data today so that you can have an idea about what is most likely movement next day. And if you find a yes here, it is written is tomorrow is a power lantern jackpot opportunity. If a yes comes here, then what you have to do is that you have to trade based on the breakout of the next day first 15-minute candle. So idea is that if you find after entering the data, if you find a yes, then next day wait first 15 minute at 9:30, take the high and low of 9:15 to 9:30, enter a long positions if the high is broken with a stop loss below the low of the 9:15 to 9:30. On the contrary, if you find that 9:15 to 9:30 low is broken, then you should go short with the high as a stop loss. In always, you have to wait till 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. you have to close the trade. Now I will show you exactly what to do. So this sheet, as I mentioned, find the opportunity one day before. So I will enter the data of yesterday. So yesterday was 27. So I will enter the data of 27 high low first 15-minute candle. This is a 15-minute Nifty future chart. As you can see, it is saying no, try next day. Let's see whether we find a yes entering the data of yesterday. Yesterday's high of the first 15-minute candle was 11213.90. The low was 11130.3. The second candle high low, the second candle high was 111.30. 37.35. The low was 11107.25. And I have to also enter the last candle high low. So high low was 11103.5 and the high was 11121.35. Once I entered the data and I hit the to enter, so as you can see that it turns into the yes. So as per plan, what you need to do, if you find yes, then trade on breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. So entering the yesterday's data, we have get a yes here. That's mean tomorrow is a jackpot opportunity. We have understood it yesterday. Now based on that, what you will do, as it's mentioned and I described already, that if you find yes over here, then next day. So I entered here 27th July data. So next day is today 28th, and what we have to do is that we have to simply buy above the first 15-minute candle high, and that means because the first 15-minute candle high has been broken in second candle, so we actually enter a bracket order. So our order was above the high 11188. So our order was at 1189 and our stop loss was 1128 because the first 15-minute candle low was 112850. So we have filled in the long side. In the second candle, market comes down a little bit and then it's move up. Our stop loss was at 1128, so market actually not comes that much. And as per the strategy I mentioned, you have to close the trade at 3 p.m. So this is the 3 p.m. closing. The closing is 11309. We have exited the trade at 11309. That makes gives us a 120 point gain, that is 9,000 per lot basis. This is very simple strategy with a long track sheet. Here you are finding the track sheet of 2020. I actually personally trade this strategy several years now, despite of the fact that sometimes it gives consecutive losses, as every strategy does. As you can see, this phase it was not so good, but if you trade any strategy consistently, then you will get the benefit of the age or the background of the core of the strategy. So I believe that I able to make you understand the whole strategy. Now more details you can find in this ebook. You can download this ebook in the descriptions. In this ebook I describe everything. I give couple of example of the trade also, so you can check it. And so that's much for the day today. Until next time, take care. Good night.